Hi everyone, so let's get started with the ingredients for making these delicious Christmas cookies. We're going to need flour, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, butter, egg, white chocolate chips, maraschino cherries, salt, and baking soda. So first, in the mixing bowl, we're going to beat our butter with our brown sugar and white sugar. Once that's all combined, we're going to add in the egg and the vanilla, and we're just going to beat that to combine. And in the separate bowl, we're going to add our flour, salt, and our baking soda, and we're going to give that a good stir to combine it all together. Once that's all good, we're going to gradually add it to our butter batter mixture. So add it. And once all that combined, turn it off, and we are going to drain our cherries. And it has no seeds, so we just pull the stems apart, and let's chop up these cherries. These are all chopped up, so now we are going to add it to our cookie mixture. Give that a good stir to combine, and for about 10 seconds, and then let's fold in our white chocolate chips. You can leave some to place them on top after the cookies are like this. You can put some on top, white chocolate chips on top, that way it can have a pretty decoration like I did here. So put this on the baking sheet at 375 for about 10 minutes, and they should come out delicious. After they come out like this, sometimes I like to press them down with a spoon to make it more flat cookies, but that is totally optional. So after about 3-4 minutes on the baking sheet, put them on a cooling rack to let them cool completely. And there you have it, some nice Italian cookies, different for your Christmas cookies. Give it a try. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, thank you. Bye.